Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter in GK, chapter 25, Tourist Cheer. So, there are so many beautiful things or buildings and monuments of all over the world. These places mark some important events or are related to some great people of the world. Now, match the name of the country by putting the correct letter in the box. So, in the first picture, you see Buckingham Palace. So, Buckingham Palace is a London residence and administrative headquarters of the monarch of the United Kingdom. So, it is situated in United Kingdom. Now, in the second picture, Pyramid of Giza, which is situated in Egypt. Now in the third picture, as you see, Hagia Sophia. It is a place where Christian people are worshipped in Turkey. Okay, next, Moai. So Moai is a place where monolithic, the carvings are created in one piece, which is known as Easter Island. Now, in the last picture, Mount Rushmore. So, it is a large-scale mountain sculpture in USA. Okay, students? Now, the second page, chapter 26, Money Matter. So, currency is the money used in each country. We all need money in order to fulfill our requirements. So, find the name of the country in the word search grid and write it between the correct picture and country. Okay. So the note in the first picture is yen, which is the currency of Japan. Now in the second picture, okay, the note in the second picture is dollar, which is the currency of USA. Now the note in the third picture is rupee, which is the currency of India. Now in the fourth picture is pound, which is the currency of UK. Now in the fifth picture is ruble, which is the currency of Russia. Now in the sixth picture is taka, which is the currency of Bangladesh. Now in the seventh picture is rand, which is the currency of South Africa. And in the last picture, the note is euro, which is the currency of Germany. Okay, students? Now, the next page, chapter 27, floral emblem. So, floral emblem, the flower emblem of various countries of the world are shown below. So, identify these flowers emblem by unjumbling the name of the country to which they belong and write it in the blank. So, first one is Poet's Jasmine. So, it is the most popular flower in Pakistan. Now, the second one is Iris. So, it is most popular flower in France. Now, in the third picture, blue poppy. So, it is most popular flower in Bhutan. Now, in the fourth picture, plum blossom. It is most popular flower in China. Now, in the fifth picture, white water lily. So, it is most popular flower in Bangladesh. Now, in the last picture, daisy. It is most popular flower in Italy. Okay, students, I hope you all understood very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.